Fantastic, terrific, it's just amazing. My name is Xael and I'm the manager of MOX, so we are a co-working space for creatives located here in the east of Singapore. The moment we got on Venuerific, over the course of 1 year to 18 months, right, we were amounting to at least 12 to 18 leads a month, and our conversion rate is about 20%. So end of the day, it turns out to be at least 3 events a month, and we are really happy with that. I would say Venuerific was the only platform that actually I had physical contact with. Elena was very professional, the way she ran through the service, the way she talked to us, and I still remember one time where we received a $10,000 lead and she messaged me excitedly on WhatsApp out of nowhere and said, "Hey, as this $10,000 lead, you better L&A for us." So this is MOX's third renewal period with Venuerific. I think that speaks a volume. Ever since we got on board and up to now, we have not left the platform. Trust us, we have done our homework, 18 months already, and we are still here. The numbers worked out, and we find that there's absolutely no reason why we shouldn't be on Venuerific.